Bismillah wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulihil kareem Muhammadin wa ala ali ashabi ajma'in. Respected viewers, in these days I am uploading my different kinds of stanzas belongs to my own book, that is the Tazkirah Yezdaں, and one little concept I am putting forward to you here, that is the oneness of Allah Rabbul Alameen. What is its importance and what is it? Basically, the oneness of Allah Rabbul Alameen is the quintessence of Islam, and if it is clear and if it is cogent and if it is strong, then think that your iman, your aqidah is strong. And if it is weak and having narrow things in it, and narrow misconceptions and not clear on the quintessence of Islam, which is known as the oneness of Allah Rabbul Alameen, then you think you are very behind at the road of Islam. Therefore, if the oneness of Allah Rabbul Alameen having the strong concept in your mind, then you think you are on a right path. And inshallah I will give you detail about this, the quintessence of Islam. Now, just for the moment, I am applying the importance, that is the main pillar of Islam. Therefore, put complete focus on this pillar instead of any other pillar, because if it is clear, then your Risala is clear, then there are two parts of Kalma Tayyiba, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. If the first part is clear, it is understood that your second part is clear, and if it is as a whole clear, then the remaining parts will be cleared, inshallah ul aziz. Therefore, on a priority basis, a person should learn and a person should focus the quintessence of Islam, which is known as the Tawheed. And therefore, I am complete focusing my book, that is the Tazkirah Yezdaں, and I am uploading because my purpose is not the showing off, and I am not published my book. I am just writing and I am uploading. The main focus is Dawah. Thank you very much.